guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about auto increment column in Microsoft SQL Server. So let's create first one new table. So actually I'm using database Sony. So currently working in Sony database, and here I'm going to show you my tables. So initially there are no any tables inside to Sony. So let's create the table right here. So creating table, create table, and here I'm giving the table name employee. So this is the name of our table employee, and here after first is ID. So this is int tag. So since I'm going to create auto increment column. So at here I have to use identity keyword. So identity keyword that accept two parameter. First is a starting value, next is increment value. So here I'm going to start with value 1 and that increase by 1. And here I'm going to set that one primary key. Now here after let's give at your name. So name at your var cat and here giving the size 55 and var. So this must not be null. So this is the constant. This should not be null. And here after is. So is at your integer tag and this should be null. It's in your chest. You can give not null also. So let's create the table. So see at a command completed successfully. Now refresh table folder. So at employees or table it's created. Now here after I'm going to insert the record, insert the employees table. So let's write insert enter and here insert into employees employee and here after give the values. So at here first is giving the name John and here is 23. So at here the columns are 3. ID name is and here I did not pass add to ID. So let's execute here. So one row affected and here after if you want to see the records, so right click and here edit 200 rows. So see at here ID name and age. So at here I did not given any value for ID. So here it's automatically generated. So SQL Server generated this values. So because at here ID is the identity tag and the value start from 1 and that increase by 1. Now here after let's see at here select 1 John 2. Now here after I'm going to insert next value. So here giving name John and here is 29. Let's execute. So one row affected. Let's execute the query. So see at here 2 automatically it's inserted in for ID and here after John 1 and 29. So since identity column ID is identity column and here I have given the parameter. So this is the starting value and this is the increment value. So start from 1 increase by 1. So that will automatically increase. Now if you give add here 2. So add here 2 I'm creating a new table employee 1 and here employee 1. So let's execute the query to create a new table. So let's go to table and here see employees 1 is created. So at here I'm going to insert this value. So first is John. Let's execute to insert and here after. So this is the employee. So one record affected. Now here after let's execute, give one more value and here is 69 So one row affected again, and hereafter execute. So see at here, this value is now increment by 2 because at here I have given the starting value 1 and increase by 2. Now let's enter new records. So this is John 3 and here this should be age 60 59. Now here incorrect. Okay, this is incorrect. Forget to give the same column. Now hereafter execute one more time and select one row affected and hereafter execute. So see at here, it's now 135. So that will increase by 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like this. That will be increased because at here I set the value at here starting value. So start from 1 and that increase by 2. So at here you can give 5 or 10, whatever you like according to your requirement. So let's see some interesting thing about identity or auto increment column. So I'm going to use employee or table and here this is one. So at here I'm going to delete. So this is I'm going to delete one ID one from the table. So let's I write the query for to delete the ID one. So delete and here from and give the table name employee and here write where clause and your id equal to 1. So when that found id equal to 1, so that delete from the table. So execute the query and here one row affected. Now let's execute. So id1 deleted. Now let's insert some records inside here. So this time going to insert max and here the giving is 59. So see at here it's now increase the value is 2 and here this time this is 3. So I wanna I wanna make values in sequence like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I wanna insert 2 at I starting value I wanna insert 1 here after 2 the ID like this. So let's write the query at here. So when I'm going to miss this is not accepted because when I execute so at here 3 next that will generate 4. So what we need to do, let's write the query, new query at here, going to copy and paste to save the tabs. And here insert into employees and here I'm going to by force enter column 1. So first is for ID, next for and here giving the name many and here is 78. Now let's execute into the employee. So at here I'm getting the message. So here specify when column is used, identity insert is on. So we cannot insert like this in the table. So next we need to do at here, we need to set identity insert or table property on. So by default it's off, so that we need to set the property on. So let's write set identity underscore insert property of employee table on. Now execute. So command completed successfully. Now if I'm going to try to execute again, so here again I'm getting the error message explicit employee specified column. So we cannot insert like this. So next we need to write the query and here insert into employees, and here we need to write at a first is for ID and next for name and hereafter age, and here values, and hereafter write values. So values should be first going to insert the value 1, and here the name giving uh, new, and here the age is 56. Now let's execute this query. So row affected 1, and hereafter now execute. So see at here now ID 1 at here it's there. So now ID 1 2 3. So I did means I recover ID 1. So by writing this query, insert into ID and this. Now hereafter let's write at here. So if I'm going to write at here simply Martin, not don't wanna give ID values. So at here I'm giving name enter Martin, and here age giving 66. So let's execute. So this query means the value this is the ID's identity or auto increment column. So that means the value at here that insert 4. So 4, and here the value is next is the Martin insert, and hereafter the age 66. So let's try that one. So at here I'm getting the error message. There are more columns insert statement here. Because this kind of error I'm getting because at here said identity insert employee is the on. So we need to off that one. So if I'm going to try to off, and now let's execute. So command completed successfully. Now here after let's insert again. So again, I'm getting the same error message. We cannot, there are more like this. So at here, here we do not need to pass ID. Okay, ID is not required. Now let's execute. So see at here, one row affected, and here, if you wanna see the records, so execute. See at here, 4 is auto increment, and here Martin 66. So this is the things. If this is off, let's make that on one more time, and here execute. So if that is on, you cannot insert this kind of value. So here let's give new age 63. So at here explicit like this identity is not. So at here this is on. So that if that is on, then auto increment column that what at here identity insert is set on, and here when replication user inserting or not for the replication identity column. So we need to set that here off. After that you can use identity column. So next let's execute this query. So this will work. So first we need to write execute this one off. So this is off. Now let's execute here and make it execute. So this is one row affected, and here execute. So now this is fine. Martin to 63. So this is the way whatever deleted value, so this recovered, and here after by writing this piece of code, so you can insert the value into the table, and you can do different kind of operation like delete and here and insert here, and this is the identity column, so this is the starting value and increment value, and this is the SQL SQL whatever SQL that increase the value, so this is the system generated value in SQL. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you, and this is the things about auto increment identity column. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.